And the use of fillers, that's quite basic, but still, those are the extra words we add in between what I said to you before earlier.
Okay.
When we don't know the answer or when we are currently thinking, we use or say like, and ये जो मैंने अभी voices निकाली, these are called,
Yes. Fillers.
these voices
Yes.
do come in handy sometimes, but अगर आप ये बार बार repeat करते जाएंगे हर sentence के बाद, so that is not that doesn't look good. So try to avoid them, but that's okay because it means that you are thinking and you're trying to form a sentence. The only thing I will
Yes.
ask you to focus on is framing your sentence correctly, using proper vocabulary, and correcting your pronunciation to some level. That's it. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Myself Kanika, and I will be your speaker for this session.
Okay.
And I went through the session material once. It was about small towns or big cities, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, if you are feeling uncomfortable, you can stop me in between and we can have a normal conversation. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And I'll ask you a few questions. If you make some errors, I will stop you in between, correct them, and then you can move on. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So the topic was small towns and big cities. Which one is your favorite? What do you prefer more?
Uh, there is both are like good or bad aspects uh, with them, and if we talk about this big towns, that there are so many and so many advantage in of the like big towns, because the like the facilities wise, like the connectivities, like the lifestyle of the people, like all of the things are available there. And uh, if we can if we say about the facilities, or like any other things which is like uh, persist in the world is available in big cities,
Hmm.
like in metropolitan cities as well.
Hmm.
And if we talk about the like small town or a village kind of area, then there are no that kind of things are available there. But the dark side of the big cities is the pollution, uh,
Hmm.
the pollution and the population. These are the bad side in. But if we talk about the small cities, that there are no any kind of problems are there. And air quality is better than the big cities. So
Quality
yes.
is worse or is bad than the big cities. There is no such thing badder. There is no such word badder. The air quality is worst or the air quality is worse than those of small towns. You meant to say that in big cities, the air quality is quite deteriorated or it's very polluted compared to small towns and villages.
Yes.
So, badder is
I
not a word.
I said it better.
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 Okay, fine. You work on
Okay.
pronunciation now.
I said one thing, that the air quality is in
Better.
comparison to like big cities better in the like small town. Better.
Better than compared to those of small town.
Yeah, big
Continue.
cities. Yes. So this kind of if we talk about the two both sides, so there are some advantages and disadvantages there of a big city and a small town. So we consider that These are the two major aspects. So yes.
So, I'll give you a little feedback on this question. You, when you try to give an answer, try to think it for some time, take some time, understand the question, try to figure out whatever you have to say, and then you start speaking. Because
Okay.
you stopped in between and you added certain words. They are called fillers. For example, like and. You usually say those words when you are thinking and you cannot get something good to say. So you add in those terms which are not actually useful, but they keep the sentence going. For example, if you ask me, what is my favorite food, I'll be like what kind of food. So जो आपने पहले के तीन चार जो words थे like that is very normal, but आपके आंसर में वो काफी ज्यादा आ रहा था. So try to think. आप थोड़ा शांति से बोलिए, calm down, and you think whatever you have to say and then you start speaking. Nobody is in a hurry. You figure out what you have to speak and then you start. That
Okay.
way will have a better point. और आपके दिमाग में सब कुछ पहले से होगा कि I need to speak this, I need to speak that point, and then you can go on.
Okay.
All right. So, if you were given the choice of living, what would you prefer more, big cities or small towns?
Yeah, I am from small town, and yes, it's better for me because in the small town, uh, the small towns are developing at at present, and at current time, the most of the things which is like available in big cities are available in small town as well.
Mhm.
So the first thing is the air quality and the population side and the road connectivities are available. So yes, there are there are a huge greenery in the small town or in the village side because I'm from the village of Haryana.
Uh, can you repeat the sentence again? I did not get the sentence properly.
I said that the road connectivity or the greenery,
Acha, greenery. Okay.
greenery are the a major aspect or we call that the a plus point of the villages or the small town because I'm from the village of uh, from Haryana, and it's a very it's a very good to live in a small town or a village. So yes, I can say that the if as to my perception, it's a very good to live in a like small town because of the facilities or because of the developing aspects.
All right. Since you already gave me the advantages and disadvantages, how about you give me some similarities?
Similarities, uh,
Small towns and big cities. Basic similarities will also do.
yes, there are some kind of similarities. Yeah, is also be there between the two's. The first one is the developing side. If I said previously,
Hmm.
small towns are developing like the big cities, and
Hmm.
education purposes. Uh, in small towns, there are uh, so many colleges or schools are developing there, and education wise because then the small towns students are aware uh, for their studies as like the big cities they are aware and the internet played a very major role to like develop the small towns, and yes, the small towns are growing very fast. So yes, that is the similarities of that we can also have the things like the technology wise, like the other aspects which were available for the like big cities student or peoples as well.
Okay, all right. So you told me about your choice that you would prefer a small town. What about
Yes,
your parents? If your parents were given this choice, would they go for small towns or big cities?
they also go for the small towns because their huge life were spent in a small town. They are used to uh, like the life of a small town, and peoples are so nice or their neighborhood, and they are interact with them, or so as compared to like big cities, uh, people don't need to like talk to anybody's, and they don't
Mhm.
know each other's in a very like great manner, if we can say. And in small towns or in a village, that people are used to talking each other every day. They met with them uh, easily and daily. They can going for a walk. Yes,
It's not they met with them. It is, if you want to say the sentence, you can say they
they
meet
can.
with neighbors on a regular basis.
Yes, they
They
can meet with them.
since they live in a small town, so
Yes,
they tend to go to same places. They have less number of shops, and there are many reasons why people in small towns tend to meet. As soon as they go out, they both of, I mean, your parents and the neighbors can go to the same shop, can go to the same park, to the same place to rest, or to a place to enjoy. So you can say they meet on a regular basis or they meet regularly. So that is
yes,
how bonds are formed. And in cities, bonding is not very great. I mean, unless and until you don't meet regularly, it is quite difficult. And in small towns, it's easier to meet and to form good bonds with people around you.
yes,
Okay, so we have around 5 minutes, I guess. So I'll just
yes.
ask one question and
Okay,
then ask me whatever you want to. Imagine your friend is shifting to a new country. Now
okay,
that friend has not decided whether to choose a city or whether to go for a small town, okay?
okay.
Township. So, what advice would you give to your friend?
What advice to give of a friend?
Mhm.
Like I don't get any idea. That's it's because I don't know like the other countries' culture and other big cities,
Your friend is
how
coming,
people live there.
all right. Your friend is coming to
Coming,
India,
coming. Okay, okay.
arriving in India. Let's just
Yes.
imagine that your friend is from the States, United States, and he's coming, I mean, he's arriving in India and he's looking for a place to live.
Okay.
Now, call you for some suggestions. You have to suggest him whether, what would you suggest him to live in a city, Delhi or Noida or whatever, or Gurgaon, etc., or would you suggest him to live in a small town like yours? I mean, where you belong from? What would
Yes. Yes. Yes.
what do you
Yes.
think for him?
I suggest them that it's up to the person to person choice, because uh, every individual has their own nature and own like perspective and kind of things which he want to need and the preference of his nature I would suggest him that if he like coming to India that if he want to the life like the big cities that there is a nightlife as well and if you want to the again big malls and there and if you want to I can say that I can get the words and if you want to enjoy their life in a very like a
City life and enjoy whatever the city life offers, such as malls, metro,
offers yes
crowd, the nightlife. So
yes
just
yes
in the city, and if you
yes
do nature, a small town, people gathering together, eating together, going to places
yes
together, you would suggest
yes
them.
yes
Okay,
okay
all right. So I'll just give a small feedback. Um, you obviously get the question and you try your best to give an answer, but there is some, I wouldn't say some, there were a lot of mistakes while you were framing your sentence.
sentence formation yes I know that yes
You were not able to use the correct words in the sentence.
yes
That happens. You just need to focus on the vocabulary, understand the meaning, and then you can use them wherever you find necessary. The third thing is that a little issue in pronunciation as well.
okay
Certain words were mispronounced. It's okay. You can work on that. And the use of fillers. Fillers, that's quite basic, but still, those are the extra words we add in between what I said to you before earlier.
okay
When we don't know the answer or when we are currently thinking, we use or say like and ये जो मैंने अभी voices निकाली, these are called,
yes fillers
these voices
yes
do come in handy sometimes, but अगर आप ये बार बार repeat करते जाएंगे हर sentence के बाद, so that is not that doesn't look good. So try to avoid them, but that's okay because it means that you are thinking and you're trying to form a sentence. The only thing I will
yes
ask you to focus on is framing your sentence correctly, using proper vocabulary, and correcting your pronunciation to some level. That's it.